G'day everybody, this is a custom home light that I've built over about a week now. It was off a line trimmer and it's currently a project motor. Been souping up the performance of it, been running racing oil in it, and I've been drilling out the muffler and just kind of cleaning up everything, making it work a lot better. I just got it going again. Just give it a start up. It's much louder since I drilled out the exhaust. I've still got many things left to do to it. I've got to cut those plastic tabs or whatever off the carby and tune it up just to make it run a little bit faster. This is just a project motor for another project, a motorised bike which I'm now revisiting after about a year. I'm still trying to figure it out, but the main part is I got myself a centrifugal clutch, and those are pretty hard to find, so I'll keep you updated on that. Thanks for watching.